Okay, Yara say GH Live Studios. Na Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Yenim say Asante Kotoko ewe Jumaye CAF Confederation Cup. E say simwa kana bibia tumi ekoso ewo honom. Enra ehon komode e de ba besom yensa anko ye chibiem. But ye won te ho kakra bia ese yete na ye de mampanyufo ani abre a mene wo kasa asisi a na o ma hye adwuma se ye mo owura Zuba basu yi papa ne bo hye a o hye ye ne ade no bibia cost say fertilizer near the ashas here nu asase no ase a yehwe se ne beko but yen sha de we ne fa dwen check akra and
we have a range of fertilizers that we use.
And how many bags do you need?
When the pitch is recovering, you have to treat it with a lot of care. You can't put too much fertilizer on it. It behaves like a child, force feeding it.
Okay.
It will not take. So we need
given the agency with which we need it.
But you still need to do it.
I can get the assurance of the regional minister,
yes,
and let the regional minister facilitate for us to get you some bags of fertilizer. That's what I'm saying. That
let me know the amount average
that you need.
For the size of this pitch, you need about 16 bags of fertilizer.
16 bags.
For the first go. So let's take it that within every 14 days or so, the pitch will need to be fertilized with a different type of fertilizer.
Okay. So what,
we have the MPK, we have sulfate of ammonia.
We have some MPK.
Yes.
We have some MPK.
So we start with the MPK.
If it is 16.
Yes.
If it is 16, yes. Madam, come to KMA on Monday. I'll get you 20 bags.
Thank you. So that means that we need to start the watering from, if not today, tomorrow, for the fertilizer to be able to maybe apply it by.
Of a Frank Boahin and Ogusua Eche na adwen ewo mu se bibia betimi akoso no. But yema update kakra update no ene so bon kaye na bia eche se matete anase ehun se amanfo eche madwen se anhwe yi anema enhye da emfa ema yentimi embo yen competition no ewo ho no. It's true. Time frame no enhye da any Asante Kotoko side cra. But for now kakra betimi aka se deadline no. And soon ye CAF instructors and as a CAF paying for ebetumi asa wakwanya window ba kwamwo edemaya ombeba aba final inspection say etutom dia nurse chiri ayinkurimdie ede ama Asante Kotoko nikusibo so a ene ne niema ebetumi akwa atwuye papa nti sempanyufo ewa adwumayo anasa ye pia so na yakwa anima ese e ne tentem so se ne beye na enkonkofa ahwanimu anase abasambuo bia ema nti Asante Kotoko mpanyimfo egusu a me no ka say womo ene ora zubanom ene ofaya mpofo ankra Brian mpofo ankra mo eba na anu ada no say gusu enye se de ba camera na nko behind the scenes so womo speedy niema yi papa under the auspices of opinion din ede Emmanuel Newton that's a berry onso no we CAF instructor womo ena eka womo a womo kɔ waye bi nso pen womo kɔ stadium kɔ approve ni ade nti me no ka say womo ene na di nkomo a consultation ahodo ekoso aniema ahodo a esi eyo se ne beye na CAF one window aka womo wakwanya so mbeba behwe na afi womo ba bibia betumi akoso ede ama Asante Kotoko no etumi akoso ye papa adwen check akra ne se ofabo ahende wa kire na adwen a na me de misu se emergency situation ye wi a yame anim green grass technology for omo ye Ghana pitches bi braniema enhye da enkoyie ewo ho but me de ma adwen kire ne se enei tetuana your friend Crofo bi Parks and Gardens omo da so ho adana mo me ne Parks and Gardens influence ye wie we ya wo de enwe emergency one na ye wie a in the long term no offer Frank Boahin full experience yokoye ye uja na kasa no de obeka chechim papa nanso ya na da bia da no kan na kwakosi bo so na akwakwa no bibia o kakrakra enhye da enwe peye ewom pitches maintenance ene ade nyina no oka ho bi no oyo but oye bia na asaba be si achi oye bia na asaba be si achi enti ekye sampa niema enhye da enkoye ntimi de me si ewie emergency one ya ye se na betumi aboy in games e ho na moma yemfi ani so hwe Parks and Gardens they are still around na omonso mboa na dwumadie no ntimi enkoso eno adwenche kakra credit tudwa ama ene tie for ba betimi esade episode amount say owura ampofo ankra be pie mu Kumasi Sports Stadium no niema hodo hu ye no ani so anhye da ama enti changes bi ebekoso inside ho no ma enye keto apart from say NSA panyifo fro eba beda no mpacho ada major role bi wo Bawaya Sports Stadium sisi a me no kasa mpanyifo afa ho adwene say most definitely changes bi beko transfer bi beko workers e ho no na bibia tumi akoso se na ebe ye neniema ebetumi atumpon kakra yemfa wempi so emfa ma Enoch Morrison a player the man Asante Kotoko rebi atwam sisi a Kenya Goma here and I will see na kan kama the ababeto dwa and it's only Goma here ebeto abrabo so ama contract extension kra no omo hwa ni mu so betumi e de ato nanim ewo mu na update aba and it's a Kenya Premier League side a friend say Goma here Oma appoint to Ora Charles Komla Akono CK Akono say ne omra me head coach na Akono on a Bismarck Kobe Mensah and I call as an assistant Tabibiano the DNO so kakra to dwa enti Goma here midfielder former Asante Kotoko midfielder Enoch Morrison Emrebosi akama ken Pfizer no me ba cho one when new coaches eye emranti ahodo mienu Ora CK Akono ono so akochi Hearts of Folk any Asante Kotoko pen no woni wo mo eba be ye adwuma and a Bismarck Kobe Mensah eno enchemu kakra to dwa ama in a tier for young father stories ni bin piso mfamawa Lawrence Osei goalkeeper ene osi akan ede Emma Bobo Kwe France Heart of Lions yabeto dwa and it's a contract were renew what 2 years aka ho eno so enchemu kakra yade ma in a tier for Frank Abraduku from Vision FC ene won also assign the Ama Asante Bobo Kwe sorry your friend Heart of Folk yes Heart of Folk assigning a branch of friends Frank Abraduku now ono esi akan de ma Vision FC in fact we attacker and no enchemu kakra ye can pitch won sensemi ye de air two and from other class mediaman so and now so Accra Lions midfielder Fuzi Taylor on a 3-year deal I know so ye enchemu kakra say bobo so e de amount 10 times now we are chefa e de efrimu ewo mu Asante Kotoko bobo ko no me pa Chelsea see a training said me de two and no ebe to aso akoso e obi a friends adako judge precisely na bibia tumi atodwa ewo mu Cape Coast move ananke ekono empanifo e de ato on hold kakra and also enchemu ene ye de to drama in a tier 4 ewo mu no bibi sasa has player no mfie side na was sign me patcho a 3 years contract and ene Frank Abraduku was signed from Vision e de Ama Hearts Folk we attacker we ka Bra Vision ene Asante Kotoko shia no wono eto atena editia ye no so enchemu kakra eba ewo mu na ene Diana so top players pa we Diana Stars so akoto Mighty Royals midfielder friends Henry Yeboah 3 years contract and on so asana Diana so ready say ne Alidu Muhammad we midfielder de Legon City no woman ni be on 3 years contract anya kotoko nko and aye didwa wo so edubiye papa and also the free mu todwa ewo mu honomo na sesia no Morofin Donzo latest no yade bema on a full episode by in front to so amount say the contract with half ya no officially abawi ye enti ene wonu omo awie okoko pie mu transfer market ko official Asante Kotoko din ehye ni din anonti Morofin Donzo official Asante Kotoko player ye chance announcement no ebebe the more details bro na afi next episode no when you check find the free ma GH Live Studios Ghana's number 1 twaso na di achi ni emfa nko for watching.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?